Now, one thing that I've been seeing on the streets of social media and also on this channel, some of you guys have been coming to comment to say, why do I still do Nio videos when the share price of Nio is struggling like this? And I've been commenting or responding to some of those comments that come, but obviously I think I should emphasize it again on this video, and that is, look man, I'm in this stock for the long term, and honestly what happened in terms of the share price in the short term does not concern me that much, right? Yes, I want the new share price to recover, but if recovery is not coming now, all I'm going to do is to just continue accumulating as many shares as I can, because I know it's a no-brainer that Nio is a company that will do very well. I know that the market will never keep Nio where it is if it proves that it's going to get to profitability very soon. And therefore, with that kind of fundamentals, or with that kind of news that I know about Nio, I know right now that this share price offers an opportunity of a lifetime, right? I mean, even if Nio does not get to profitability, worst case scenario, which we'll know it won't come, even if Nio share price does not recover for the next 5 years, which we know that that's not the true, I don't have to, I won't worry that much, because I would have learned something from this, right? But if it happens that in the next 5 years the Nio stock price grows maybe 5, 10, 20 times, guess what? I'll be one of the investors globally that goes and be laughing at the bank, because I know I own a company that is, or that has recovered so much, and I'm part of the success story of Nio. So don't mind me doing these videos, man. I mean, this video myself are the ones that sometimes when I watch myself, or when I watch these videos myself, they are the ones that encourage me to say that, look, if I sell my Nio holdings at a loss, obviously even with the fundamentals, or if I want to trim my Nio holdings, because let me tell you something, sometimes there is that thought that comes of saying maybe you should trim your holdings onto Nio, of which, because of these videos that I give to you guys, because of the latest developments I read on a daily basis of what Nio is doing, it makes me end up realizing that, look, regret is worse than failure. I rather load the boat, because I know that Nio is going to get to profitability, and this share price is the short-term headwinds, and in the near future we shall be rewarded, than regretting at a later stage that Nio has, I did not do enough, or I did not buy enough of Nio, which is one thing that I don't want to find myself going through, right? I mean, with Nio, you will know that there are so many news that Nio announced, and if it was any other stock besides Nio, that stock would have shot through the roof. I mean, Nio launching the Firefly sub-brand, if that kind of sub-brand was launched by Tesla, was launched by Rivian, was launched by Lucid, was even launched by Xpeng or Leo, guess what? We're going to see the market cap of those companies probably they would have grown by at least 2 times, right? And because it's Nio that is releasing this, obviously the market will forever find ways to pin Nio down, though in terms of performance, or in terms of the fundamentals, they've been doing pretty well. I mean, have a look at the deliveries that Nio has been producing, though they have not been reporting 100% delivery growth rate. But are you aware that in Q2 the minimum delivery that Nio is going to have, it's around 23,200? Are you thinking about that? Because if you are, then if you are a Nio long-term investor and you know what Nio has been delivering in the past, you will agree that in as much as maybe it's not doubling sales, but it shows that Nio is going somewhere, right? It shows that we can rely on Nio, we can really see the blue sky that is coming. And these are some of the things that, even though we get to profitability, me, when I see the share price, all I want to do is to load the boat, right? I mean, right now the market cap of Rivian, it's 2 times the market cap of Nio. The market cap of Xpeng is 2 times the market cap of Nio. And both these company, Rivian, Xpeng, that I counted for you, they are not yet profitable. With Rivian, it's worse, because per quarter they are like selling what, 13,000 cars, 14,000 cars But Nio, that is that they are not even delivering. They are delivering almost 2 times that on a monthly basis that Rivian is delivering in 3 months. But yet the market decides to, of course, value Rivian 2 times the market cap of Nio, which is something that is not good. But again, it shows you the opportunities that lies ahead, right? It shows you where Nio is at and where Nio could be headed. And my dear friends, it is for this reason that I remain long, I remain strong onto Nio, because I know that regret is worse than failure. And all who are complaining right now, some of them, they don't own the Nio stock anymore. They are trying to console themselves. Some of them are about to sell their Nio shares, which we cannot do anything about that. I cannot tell you what to do with your money, but what I'm doing is that I'm deciding to remain long. I'm remaining strong on Nio because I know one thing, and that is blue sky is coming. I know one thing, and that is those that are persevering will most definitely be rewarded with time. And it is for that reason that I'm deciding to stay onto this stock. I'm deciding to remain long and strong. So I will continue giving you the videos, which is why I ask you to give it a thumbs up if you enjoy the content that I continue giving you amidst the low trading price of Nio. Because during chaos, right, or during tough times like this, or especially when looking at the share price of Nio, not many people want to talk about Nio. Not many YouTubers want to discuss Nio. But this channel, it's all about Nio. A rainy day, come sunny day, I will always be talking about Nio, because this is the company that is my ride or die. I've gotten to that point where I'm so close, and I love this company so much that because of what they've been doing, all I'm trying to do on this channel is to show you, in my opinion, why Nio, it will be a good long-term winner, right? I know right now there might be some hurdles of net losses, hurdles of Nio not profitable, but in Q4 most hurdles are going to fall off, and we'll see how the market will have to value Nio, because one way or the other the market will have to readjust and value Nio based off its profitability, right? Because right now the market is using excuses like net losses and Nio not being profitable as a reason why the market cap is this low. But anyways, I thought I'd come and give you this quick update. Tell me what you think about this. Blue sky is coming, long-term will win. Those that are persevering throughout the headwinds of the share price will most definitely be rewarded with time. It takes me some time to make these videos, and all I ask from you is to give it a thumbs up so that at least you can be notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. I will see you on the next one, my dear friends. That is all from me, and God bless you all.